Welcome to readtheticker.com. Today I'm going to talk about the difference between Gann angles, trend lines and channels. To draw a trend line, you need, at the lowest denominator, 2 points. To draw a channel, you need at least 3 points. To draw a Gann angle, when the chart has been scaled on a one-to-one price to time axis, you only need 1 point. What this means is when price approaches the Gann angle for the first time, you are ahead of the trend line and the channel technical drawing aspect. In the game of trading and investing, you need to know something before somebody else does. Gann angles can be used in a bearish manner. For example, here we have a falling price pattern and price is battling its way through the angles. As each angle is broken, the angle becomes the defunct or loses influence. Here price rallies up to the 45-degree line, falls back, then breaks through, and it continues to show strength until it's past the slow 2-to-1 line. Just a quick reminder, 45-degree line is red, the time to price is 2-to-1 blue, and here is 1-to-2. So I pretty much focus around the blue and the red lines. As I said before, is that once you have the Gann angle, you get the speed of the advance. So this one here is advancing 1 unit in time to 2 units in price. Here we had a pullback, and as you can see, price broke through it but continued on, but the Gann angle held the move all the way up. If I draw a trend line, I have to wait till that point is formed before I can use it. So you actually have a head start when you have a Gann angle. Gann angles can be are best placed on major pivot points. Here we saw a bit of weakness here that the 45 angle did not hold and price broke through. Here's a tease of the price. So here we have a situation where price broke through the Gann angle, but as price quickly reverted back into sort of near parallel to the Gann angle, it was pretty much maintained. We just put another one in there and follow the price action up. Here price falls back to the 1-to-45. When you draw a trend line, you're drawing a trend line from, I don't know, here to there. It does work. I mean, trend lines are not totally useless, but they do require 2 points, where the Gann angles only require 1. For example, the bearish Gann angle on the, I think that was the downgrade of the US. Here we see prices are held by the 1-to-4, that's 1 unit in time to 4 units in price. As price is moving pretty fast, and as it worked back up through there, it worked against the bearishness and slowly took out each Gann angle. Like I said before, Gann angles have an advantage that they only require 1 major pivot to draw, but the chart has to be scaled. I'm using a tool which is a quick and easy quick draw tool. You have the ability to save the Gann angles with the object drawings. Any major pivot point is useful for the Gann angle. At the moment, this is the major market index, 20 major stocks, like a shorter Dow. There we are, we're falling at a pace of 4 units in price to 1 unit in time. The trend line down here, well, we can draw a trend line now, I guess, because that point's been formed, but beforehand you could not. You're drawing a channel, as you can probably draw a channel now, you're going to find I don't know, probably those 2 points there. Maybe that one. Yeah, might hold. Maybe these 2 points again, and this one. Channels are very useful, so are trend lines, but Gann angles lead because they require only 1 point. I personally use channels on very long price actions, pretty much 10 to 15 years, but here you draw a long channel. They are useful, but the longer the better. Thanks for watching.